Today we're going to be unboxing the latest BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription box. I'm Verge, this is Jordan, and this is Abby. Say hi, Abby. You may hear her in the background, sorry. All right, Jordan, I'll let you start grabbing stuff out and I'll grab the cardboard. Okay, this month, by the way, our 10% off code is for IT Cosmetics. You can get 10% off plus 3 free samples. And you just want to use the code just for you Boxy. Just the number 4, you, BOXY.
How about we do the Everlasting lipstick first?
Okay.
You have the information on it.
This month's is Alter Ego, which is probably backwards for you guys. And the first item we're pulling out is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It is an MSRP of $20 from Kat Von D, of course. It's smooth, creamy, lightweight lipstick that stays on all day long. Highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free. Coat
Does
your
it
lips.
have its vaccinations?
Probably. In just one swipe, delivering the color you want and you need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve.
It's a nice
And I will admit, I cheated and I opened the lipstick already. So don't worry, you can put some on too.
I like it. I like the packaging on it.
I love the formula based on me putting it on right before I came here. Because I can't feel it. And the color does seem to stay. Kiss proof.
It does kind of match the skin tone. Pretty nice.
Match my hair. You know, everybody can say that about their lipstick. You gonna try some on?
Put it on my hand. We had a bad experience with the last lipstick I tried on. Let's try not to have another allergic reaction.
I don't think this one would. It dries down like Jefferson stuff.
Okay, then that's probably better.
I did not open that, so I don't know what that is.
It lies, because the little thingy was up.
I didn't open it.
Okay.
I don't know why that's up. The only thing I opened was the Kat Von D.
This is Superhero.
I didn't even look at what all I had. I just wanted to try the lipstick and see what color it was. This is IT Cosmetics, yeah, Superhero. MSRP of $24, which is more than the value of the box. Lengthening, volume boosting, ultra conditioning formula, ultra black tint, make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever.
I actually really like this because of the way it's shaped.
Oh, that packaging is cool.
I like it. And it's not like one of those mascaras that they try so hard to have like a grip and to make it look prettier. It's just simple, very sleek, very
I'm already
nice.
wearing mascara, so you have to show that one. Just one eye. You don't
My
have to do that.
blindness.
This is gross.
Yeah, pretty gross.
Sorry. Addie, come here, baby. Come here.
Well, it feels nice, but I have shitty little eyelashes.
Actually, it's really good coverage, though. I mean, compare the 2 eyes. I like it. Abby, don't. I'm moving it while she's trying to move.
I should just bump my arm and I'm
Oh.
like, shit.
And that's the ceiling.
Yay.
It says it's 96% said lashes look stretched. 96% saw volume and length. And plumper looking lash. 100% saw fuller lash line.
Well, it does make my lashes look fuller if I had like non-prepubescent child pubes for lashes, but
Hey, what's next?
okay, let's go. The Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm.
By Farmacy.
Ooh.
It is a cult favorite makeup cleansing balm, melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth.
I'm gonna say this is nice because it has a little, I don't know if you can see that, a little lid clasp that just pops up, unlike the other one we tried last time that had 3 lids.
Oh god, yeah. Alright, let's see if it takes off the Kat Von D.
Okay, for just texture-wise, this is a nice consistency.
And yes.
Oh shit, oh, there it goes.
Yep. Wow. I'm gonna say it works.
It's
Touch
what
my
I
Kat
did.
Von D now. But yeah,
I could have used it on my like hand one.
that would have made more sense.
Yep.
Logic.
But like just feel-wise, this is nice. It's very soft. And if it gets the job done, probably use it. Okay. And the next one, wait, how much was that one valued at?
Oh, I'm sorry. The MSRP of the Farmacy is $22, $1 more than the cost of the whole box.
That's not bad for a makeup remover, especially if you have sensitive skin and you don't like the stuff that's really harsh.
Yeah. Very
Okay.
cool.
So we have the Dermovia.
Dermovia? Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask with an MSRP of $30.
Okay,
$30
from right
for that
now,
mask.
from what I'm feeling, it doesn't feel like much.
Don't open it now. We're not going to use it now.
I just want to see what it has in it. It's not like a powder in there. 'Cause
Okay.
there's a baggie. You can feel the baggie.
It's a charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask. It offers spa-like extraction results. Naturally bending peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience.
It has this little one, and then it has the little. It has it's like a legitimate.
There's two.
So is this what
We
we're
can do
doing?
this
Is this what
together.
we're doing after the video?
Yeah. Oh, look, it's like an actual lace mask. And
Okay,
that's so cool.
That's so much cuter than the most things you get.
Yeah, because the Halloween mask thing, that's fun.
That's nice. I like that. Oh, it's got.
Oh, and it's got like a neck, too.
neck thing.
Ah,
We're all like super impressed by
so
this.
cool. And you could probably reuse it.
Yeah, because it's fabric, so you can
Oh,
just wash it.
oh, even better. Look at this. Okay,
So you have ear.
it's
ear
got
things.
ear holes, so you can actually compress it to your face to hold it on. So you could actually like function and continue doing stuff while wearing.
Unlike
creepy
where
lace
most masks, you're just sitting at a permanent side angle. Trying
And
to
the
hold
neck
on.
thing does too.
The neck thing, does it go around your ears?
Yeah. How crazy is this?
Okay, I just feel like I'm drowning in panties.
It does feel like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. Look on my butt too.
Like we could rob a bank very fashionably right now.
So, that's
I
cool.
want to see if I can get it around my ear. Cause like, I don't need them to be ear prejudice. I have big ears. Like, you just gotta. It's all to all people. But that's nice. This is good. It's different. I got face flaps. But
I had face flaps too. I just kind of tucked them under the bottom chin.
my chin's not. This is
There, you got it.
okay. Very, very stylish.
Huh.
Wow.
That's one of the strangest things I've ever gotten in a subscription box. That's cool though.
No, but like now I actually want to try it to see if it works.
Yeah,
Because
we
if
gotta
it's
try
if
it.
it's cool and it's like, oh, that's nice, but it worked like shit, it's different. But we got.
And the last item in the box is the Pure. Look at the pretty packaging. Midnight Masquerade.
I like that it kind of goes with the little lace mask that we got. It's very themey.
Very themey month. This is a $38 value.
Oh, that's nice. It's nice that they show you what the colors look like on the back too. So you're not like at the store trying to open up boxes like a Creed.
10-piece face palette. Takes any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. Limited edition palette arranged with highly pigmented buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face or eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Bold statement, never been easier for 4. Shimmery face powders, 6 buttery eyeshadows, and complement all skin
I
tones.
can't get into it. These nails are not work friendly. I want to know how Jeffree Star, Manny, and literally any other
Nicole
YouTuber.
Concilio, she's got like amazing like
Yeah,
long
no.
nails, man.
How do you get into all your stuff? Like
They
you
use
think
knives. They use sharps, man.
we're not.
We're not allowed to play with sharps.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Oh, and it's got more of those stickers on the inside. You're gonna be happy to know. Let me get this off before you take it, just because I'm just gonna annoy you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Screw your stickers.
And there we go.
Okay, I'm actually really feeling this like top color right here.
That's a blush, I believe.
Yeah.
So we've got Twilight, Hidden Secret, Reveal, and Enchantment. Hidden Secret and Reveal are blushes. Then we've got 2 highlights. This one I'm gonna guess is for a dark skin tone. Oh, but it's pretty. I could use that for a shadow.
I'm gonna throw something
get our
out
fingers
here.
and everything
Can
and
we
swatch.
do like an ombre blush with this? Like,
Oh yeah, you probably
like
could.
actually just ombre your blush out. That. Would be
Oh, and look,
pretty
it's
dang.
not got a lot of fallout, and it's not as powdery.
Those
Like,
are
my big
really
complaint
shiny.
on the last one was the fact that it was, so it's these 4 colors right here, not all the other swatches going down my arm.
Okay, yeah. So I'll start the other swatches.
Make sure you put them in a place that they'll actually be able to see them. You're not going to be doing the whole angle.
Yeah,
kind of
no,
thing.
I know I failed with that last time. And also my paleness. It doesn't help.
No, but it does give an accurate showing of what it'll look like on pale skin.
Okay, so maybe takes a couple swipes on some of them. That, however, did not. Yes, I'm for that color.
Wow. It's pretty.
And I'm out of
brushes?
I just need one. Ooh, okay.
Oh, they're very nice and soft too.
They are. Ooh. Okay. So, wow. Even my arm's stupid.
That's all the colors in the palette. We've got, and I'll tell the names. Here, hold your brown back up again. We've got, starting from the silver, Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m.
I'm gonna be fair with you. Disguise is actually sort of winning for me because I really like how deep the tone is. But I thought Mask Off was gonna be really green and kind of gross looking when you see it in the box. But honestly, it came up very gold, very nice, kind of like a cool tone.
They are all really shimmers though, except for one. There's five shimmers and one matte shade.
I'm just gonna pause
bring
you
your
with
matte
that.
brush?
Yeah. Let's just stop right what you're doing right there.
My fingers.
Just so all you viewers can know, she asked me before we left, "Can you get me a brush so I can blend it out?" But she didn't wait to get the brush. She just puts it on her eye.
Impatience is a virtue.
Yeah, blend that out. Ooh, that would be a good time to test this. With all my magical, colorful arm. Just gonna try and get some, ooh, oh my god.
Should have brought my makeup cleaner over.
It's just, okay, so eyeshadows, gonna say, does pick up the pigment, but it just smears it everywhere. If I had a towel, I would say it would probably go better. But
These, there is a lot. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a lot of fallout. But I don't know if I care, because the pigments really are showing up. Like, this is just like with the world's fastest, crappiest blend ever.
that is really nice though.
And that was using the color Sneak Peek in the crease. I put Showtime like on the lid, I just kind of patted it on, and then I went in with Disguise under the eye, like so. Pretty darn quickly. So, and then you could probably do like Exposed on the inner corner to lighten it up. And we'll take the brush with lots of eyeshadow. Oh, look at that, Jordan.
Okay, this is the thing that most pale people on the spectrum know. If you have warmer undertones, it's easier to find a highlighter because
Look at this.
you can just go along with it. But if you are super pale, like we are, and you have cooler tones, finding a silvery highlighter that's not gonna come off grayish on your skin tone is very, very hard to find. I like that. That's not coming off like you have dirt on your face.
Which is nice. That's just a quick test of.
I actually want to try one of the. I want to try this as a eye look.
Do the other eye.
Yeah. Okay. 1 second.
We'll film it just
I
like
have
both.
2 brushes because I'm not.
I'm not gonna do it the way I did it, where it was
Yeah,
just
come here.
slap colors on.
Okay. So we're
Here, I'm
going
gonna turn towards this so they can see. I did put on some eyeliner before coming. I am wearing the Wow roller liner that came in last month's BoxyCharm. Erasers.
This isn't good. I have dirt on my hand. Not dirt, but just.
It's okay. Just blend the crease and it'll go
Yeah.
away.
Give me a face. Nice.
Where did the blending brush go?
The blending brush right here. Actually, pick up some of that warm purple and put it in your crease.
Not the brown?
No, the warm purple. I don't know why the warm purple's calling for me.
Because you're telling me to put shimmer shade in my crease, which is only a lot weird.
Shimmery and nice. Like, you don't want to go too hard. You putting the brown in, aren't you?
I'm taking it to the outer crease just to add some dimension to it, because otherwise it's a very
Pale.
kind of monochromatic look there. Good.
Yeah, I actually like that color on your skin tone, the blushy color.
Then I'll take some of the highlight,
Pop it right in there in that little lid.
or attempt to. Successfully.
There's no thing here that she's wiping it on. She's just wiping it on herself.
On my skirt. It's a good look.
Class act over here. Okay, I like that.
I am
like that. I
booty
really like that color on your crease.
Do you?
Yeah.
The highlight, I'm gonna be honest. The highlight is kind of just
You kind
like
of
my
got
favorite thing.
like a light Harley Quinn look going on over here.
Yeah, because you're right, that needs more dark now.
But
All right.
Okay.
Well, anyway, this is a really fast, quick and dirty look with the palette. Like super quick and dirty, but
literally dirty.
is the October BoxyCharm. Again, BoxyCharm is a $21 a month subscription box. And this is Jordan, and I'm Virgin. Hi. Bye.